Many UK-based authors have claimed that Mulligatawny soup was developed by the British in India, unopposed by any counter-arguments. However, they fail to explain why the British, who held authority in India, did not use the English word instead. It is highly unlikely that they were all aware of the meaning of Mulligatawny. In reality, Mulligatawny is an informal Tamil term, formed by merging two Tamil words together. Millagu is the Tamil word for black pepper, and Tawneer is the Tamil word for water. When combined, they form Millagu Tawneer, which literally translates to black pepper soup, or tonic. However, for centuries, the informal term used in Tamil villages has been Mulligatawny. However, the leading Mulligatawny soup producers in the UK exclude black pepper from their ingredient list, making it comparable to an apple pie lacking any traces of apple. This clearly explains that they don't understand the meaning of the Tamil words, Mulligatawny, but they are still making and marketing this soup to the unsuspecting general public. To gain a deeper understanding of the UK's persistent curry crisis, it is essential to recognise that the prevailing issue surrounding Mulligatawny is merely the surface manifestation of a much larger problem. Perhaps further research and exploration of historical records can shed light on the matter, providing a more accurate understanding of the dish's history and cultural significance. It is crucial to delve deeper into the historical context surrounding the development of Mulligatawny soup to fully comprehend its significance within the UK curry crisis. By examining primary sources and consulting experts in the field, we can gain a more comprehensive understanding of the dish's origins and its impact on the culinary landscape of both Tamil habitats and the United Kingdom. It should be acknowledged that curry holds significant cultural significance as a traditional heritage of the Tamils for over 3,000 years. To limit its history to India, which was established by the British and is less than 200 years old, would be an unfair disregard for the world's oldest culinary culture embedded in the Tamil community. This culinary tradition is intricately connected to the world's oldest language, Tamil. Acknowledging the significance entails understanding that the Tamils, across multiple generations, possess two ancestral territories that were colonized by the British. These include a larger region referred to as British India, as well as a smaller area known as British Ceylon. Before the arrival of the British, the Tamils residing in British Ceylon, specifically the northern region of the island, experienced a lengthy period of colonization lasting 300 years. The colonization process commenced with the arrival of the Portuguese, followed by the Dutch. This distinction is significant when comparing British India and British Ceylon. The period of Portuguese colonization witnessed a culinary transformation among the Tamil community on the island. The Portuguese introduced chili and introduced over 130 new vegetables, including tomato and potato, leading to a curry renaissance. The Tamil curry holds a rich historical significance, dating back to ancient times. Before the Portuguese introduced chili, the curry was seasoned with black pepper, giving rise to the pre-chili era curry. However, with the arrival of chili, it swiftly replaced black pepper as the primary spice, marking the beginning of the post-chili era curry. To fully grasp the complexities of the UK curry crisis, and the confusion with Mulligatawny soup tells us a clear story, it is essential to consider the broader socio-political context of the time. The British Raj, which refers to the period of British rule in India from 1858 to 1947, had a profound impact on Indian cuisine. As long as curry is defined as Indian curry, its definition is limited to the British era, and so led some British authors to claim that the British introduced curry into India, which in a way technically correct, as I have discussed in my previous articles. However, it is important to note that the origins of Mulligatawny soup may extend beyond the British colonial period. The Tamil term, Mulligatawny, suggests a long-standing tradition within Tamil villages, indicating that the soup's roots may predate British influence. This raises intriguing questions about the cultural exchange and culinary evolution that occurred among the Tamils long before the arrival of the British. To gain a more comprehensive understanding of the UK curry crisis and the role of Mulligatawny soup within it, further research is needed. Exploring historical records, consulting culinary experts, and engaging with diverse perspectives can help unravel the complexities of this dish's origins and its significance in both Indian and British culinary traditions. By delving deeper into the historical context and cultural nuances surrounding Mulligatawny soup, we can uncover the truth behind the UK curry crisis and its impact on the culinary landscape. This book, which was written by a Tamil from the islet that was the first exclusive Portuguese colony and produced the world's first Tamil Portuguese curry powder about 500 years ago, is filled with historical details gleaned from extensive research.